Greetings everyone, welcome back to Suffer and Cypher's channel! Alright, today we're gonna do the Frenzy Pack Jurassic World Survival Plesiosaurus. Here we go guys. But first things first is we're gonna compare to its other previous variants. We have the Camp Cretaceous right here, the blue one. This one has a feature, you push the button here in the back. And it moves its flippers. It has an articulated neck. Look at that right there. Classic one, pretty cool. And we have the Epic Evolution Plesiosaurus. This one doesn't have that feature anymore. It doesn't have that button, and the flippers doesn't move, articulate anymore. It does articulate, but it doesn't have this feature. They changed it to this DNA scan thing. They also took off the neck articulation. It doesn't articulate anymore over here. And then we have two of the Dino rivals. Yep, two Dino rivals, but different color. Different brand. This one has the damage, has a battle damage. Also has articulate neck. And this one has a feature, same as the Camp Cretaceous, exactly. Also has an articulated neck. So this one has a lighter color, this one has a little bit darker, I guess, yellowish. Alright, so let's check the newest Plesiosaurus. It's like a mutated Plesiosaurus now. From Survival. It's a little, I don't know if it's a little bigger, but the flippers, I noticed it was bigger and has some weird spikes on its neck, on the side neck. So let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Alright guys, maybe our next video will be the Vespersaurus or the Mono.
Yeah.
You ready to finish the Meterodon?
Yeah.
Alright, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Cool stuff. Alright guys. While I'm unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you.
Yay.
For watching.
Wow.
There you go. So let's check it out. They forgot to add some pupil on the eye. Check the mouth. It looks like a cobra from afar right there. Okay, compared to its older variants, it doesn't have that. The head looked like it got a little bigger.
Oh yeah.
Then obviously the neck doesn't move anymore. Doesn't have articulated neck anymore. It just only goes up and down. Meanwhile, the flippers are also way bigger compared to its older. Look at that, see? Totally different now. So they made the flippers bigger. And there's a DNA scan for you guys. You guys can scan that and pause this video or scan it. There you go. Let's see the tail, if they changed it as well. It looks like the tail has been changed too.
Wow, it's more
It looks
bigger.
like it became wider.
It became like
Looks like it became wider. Yeah, let's check the Epic Evolution. Yeah, definitely a different, bigger flipper. Look at the size of that flipper. Totally different now. I think it's better though. There's like damage in it, like a little tatter there. So that's better. But it's just weird that they added spikes on each side of the neck. Because we all know that Plesiosaurs don't have the spikes on the neck. Yeah, so yeah.
I think the movie could be awesome.
Yes. Oh, it also has some spikes on the back too. Notice that right here. So the rest doesn't have that. The rest of the Plesiosaurs, they don't have that.
Even not the big one.
So yeah. I'll probably give an update on my elder Plesiosaurus. I'm gonna add some stuff like this too, make it look like this.
Oh yeah.
Make it scarier.
Yeah, you paint that one too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
We're gonna make an apex at
oh yeah, you
Elder
make it
Predator. I mean, excuse me, Elder Plesiosaurus. I said Elder Predator.
Oh.
Elder Plesiosaurus. I'm confused now. Alright guys.
The eyes look creepy on me.
Yeah.
And the black stuff there. It's creeping me out. The box look cool.
Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay guys.
Okay, guys.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
I'll see you around.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.